What's crackin', broskies? I've acquired another floppy drive. And with this, we can test to see if that other one was broken or not. I actually got this out of a Dell computer, and that shit was the most fucking annoying piece of crap to get into. There was screws everywhere. There was like 20 screws to get the case off, and then like another 5 or more to get the floppy drive out. You had to bend. I don't know if I was doing it wrongly or not, but man, no fun at all. But here it is. I've removed the top already, and now I'm just gonna do the same thing I did to the other one. Strip a bunch of wire, connect it up to the pins that I want, and then we'll be able to test it from there. So here goes. Now time to wash my hands. Because lead. And brains. Lead and brains, not good. Now that that's done, we're going to be using the same program as we used before, and we're going to see what happens. Time to upload. Power supply goes on. Huh. Okay. This is very interesting. It's displaying similar behavior as the other one. I think it's very unlikely that I'll get 2 fucked up floppy drives in a row. But it is making quite a noise. I wonder if that step mode is getting hot. Oh, this is weird. This is very, very strange. Let's change the frequency down. All right. See, that's working normally now. Maybe I had the frequency too high, and it was like WTF because of that. See, that works fine. Let's make the frequency a less retarded value then. So this will happen 100 times per second. So we should get a very low note out of this. See, this one actually works. This is cool. I guess you can only go a certain speed before it starts fucking up. Like, I suppose if you try to pulse the step motor too fast, it can't actually complete the step in the time between the pulses, so it just goes like, whoa, what? Don't know what to do. But yeah, this is cool. This is pretty cool. Alright, let's see if we can get a 440 Hz A out of this. So, 440 times per second. So something times 440 equals microseconds in a million. So wish I had a calculator. Here is 1 times 10 to the 6 divided by 440. 2,272. That's interesting. It actually like reflected off the end that one time. Oh, that's fun. Alright. Let's get it to continuously play that then. Alright, here we are. Well, what? What? You know what? Maybe it's actually working correctly, and it's just not moving as much as I thought it would. I reckon that's probably it, actually. Let's make it go a bit further. Huh, look at it go. Now you see, I'm wondering which will actually give the best pitch accuracy. Let's make it go further. I reckon it can do 100 times that. Well, 10 times. Help it up. Looks like he's bunking up the end of there a bit. But what's interesting is the it actually makes a different sort of sound in different directions. Going this way makes like a more buzzy kind of sound. I wonder how this sound, the pitch that this is generating compares to the one where we just had it going back and forth. I might have to get some sort of guitar tuner or I don't know, something like that to find out. Or, you know, just play a song on it and see which one is seems more accurate. But it's pretty cool. Let's move back and forth and everything. Let's quickly connect up the other floppy drive, this one, so we can see if it's actually retarded. Because we know this definitely works, because we got good behavior right here on our floppy drive, on this floppy drive. So let's connect up this other one, the derp one. And see how things go. Alright, pass play on. What is this bullshit? This wasn't working the last time I looked at it. Oh. I don't know, Brucey's. I don't know. This is just trolling. But at least it fucking works. At least it works. I don't know. But we got two now. Might be able to get some harmonies and shit going. Well, 50th episode is pretty good success, you know. Got into a retarded Dell computer, got out the floppy drive. Now we discover this one actually works, which is great, albeit slightly bemusing. Quite nonplussed about this. Very odd. But it's working. That's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. It doesn't afraid of anything at all. Alright. Things to do next. We gotta, since we got two floppy drives now, we gotta get rid of this shit. And connect them all through, you know, something else, because we only have one of these. What we also gotta do is we've gotta measure the current going through these from the Arduino. And the current being sunk here as well, because these things have a maximum current they can actually take. So when we have 16 of these connected up to here, right? We don't want to be taking too much current, otherwise it'll melt this, and then it'll cost money for me, and I'll be very disappointed in myself. But that's for next episode. GG.